Good morning. This is just a short message to congratulate our AS, A-Level and IGCSE students for their amazing results that they achieved this year. Against all odds, during times of the pandemic, with all these challenges, they really impressed all of us. I would like to thank each and every one of them for their commitment and their hard work. Exceptional set of results has been given to all these students, and we want to thank their parents and all their teachers for the support that they provided during this time. We had the privilege of also sharing and celebrating these results in the Khaleej Times, and you're welcome to see the more detailed information with regards to these results that we are so proud of this year. Thank you very much.